Hi Todd, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Candy and I told her that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites after that. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the flood response homepage. And so I can right away see that you guys have spent a lot of time and money into the site. I love the videos, it's laid out very well, and it looks very professional. However, scrolling through here, I'm not seeing a lot of verbiage or a lot of content. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page. I did do a word counter search, and you currently have 644 words. So I would suggest adding in some more content on here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots, and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. In addition to having the right amount of content, we also want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. So over here is a great example of a keyword, water damaged La Quinta. This keyword brings in 200 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, or when you want to take advantage of a hot market or promote a special event that you have going on. They can also be a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up, but they're not going to be your best long-term return on investment. Down here beneath the Google Ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important and can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, yellowpages.com, Angie's List, Home Advisor, those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. So now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This is going to be your main area of focus. It's going to be your actual best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they're going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. This is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. So you can go through and you see that this is just one of their service pages, and there's not very much content on there, so it would be very easy for you to beat them out with the amount of content that they have. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. For example, if a local plumbing company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really great way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I have hopped on to SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little bit pricey. It costs me hundreds of dollars a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So here I can see that you guys have around 1,000 people visiting your site every month through organic traffic. You have 402 backlinks from 124 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 840 keywords. And so we can go through and see which keywords you are ranking for. So you want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Those are going to be the best ones for you to target. I see that you're ranking pretty well for some educational keywords, which is good because you have educational content on your site. However, scrolling through here, it doesn't seem like you are ranked very well for a lot of different keywords that bring in a lot of volume. So I would definitely go out and focus on different kinds of keywords. And also, you want to go back and go through your backlink profile. So right now it's saying you have 402 backlinks. You want to go through and make sure that all your competitors have less backlinks from you. And you also want to make sure that you're not just beating them out with the quantity of backlinks, you're beating them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through all of these and make sure you have good quality backlinks. Right here, it will tell you the authority score. It goes from 1 to 100. And so you can go through and make sure that all of your backlinks are from good, reliable sources. And then you can go through your competitors' backlinks and find some more to add for your site. And so I think you could start to bring in some more traffic through your site for the right keywords if you were to incorporate the 3 things that we talked about into your online marketing plan, which were number 1, adding in some more content to your site, number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack, and then number 3, more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.